Hello, my friends on YouTube. And today I got a few new engines. The ones I got from the antique store and the one I got in the mail. So to start off, I got the Sky High Bridge Jump Thomas from the Sky High Bridge Jump set that was released in 2016 to coincide with the Great Race. Yeah, Thomas got some sparks. I really love the face. I really love some of the detailing here. Yeah, I got this one at the antique store a couple days ago, and I already gave him fresh batteries, but he's not the best runner when running on the layout. I mean, he does have some hair stuck on the side rod. There could be some in the wheels too. I mean, this toy is just about 7 years old. Or was it? No, wait. It was actually. Wait, yep. I mean, this toy is almost 7 years old. So I'm not surprised. Like I said, I already gave him fresh batteries. Good model, not the best runner considering for his age. Next up, I got not only one, but two Molly tenders. One from Tomy and one from Fisher-Price. Now, in case you're wondering, Steven, why did you buy two of Molly's tenders? Oh well, whenever I buy two of something, I usually use them as. Whenever I buy two of something, I usually use them as spare parts. Sometimes. This is the Tomy one, and this is the Fisher-Price one. You can tell because the drive units. The Tomy one has the black drive unit, and the Fisher-Price one has the white one. Not to mention the traction tires. The ones on the Tomy are a bit yellowish, while on the Fisher-Price ones are gray. And the Fisher-Price one seems to be in better condition than the Tomy version. Now I'm gonna put batteries inside these tenders. Yeah, the Tomy one's a smooth, a nice runner, and the Fisher Price one is a quiet runner. Although slow, it's a nice runner too. Again, I use. Yeah, I unfortunately do not have the front half of Molly, which is the engine. And sometimes I use these as spare parts. Sometimes, not all the time. I also tested their strength and found out that the Tomy one is stronger than the Fisher Price one. Oh, another difference you can see is the white running board. You can see on the Tomy version, Tomy and Hit Toys. Well, this one, no white running board. I honestly think the Tomy one is better than the Fisher Price one in terms of detail. Again, I do not have the front half of Molly, the engine, of course. So I'm just gonna move them aside, and I'm down to one more new engine. The motorized All Engines Go 2022 Hero. Yeah, I just recently got him in the mail. And he's not one of the best models. Again, the All Engines Go engines just don't translate well into motorized. But to be honest, I really don't care. I'm into anything. Let's get it unboxed. And Hero is free. So here's Hero. Again with these long couplings. Pretty irritating, to be honest. Here's his tender, number 51. Yeah, This version of Hero is not one of the best ones, but I don't have this version, so I decided to get him from the mail. And well, not to mention, Hero is one of my favorites, to be honest. Excuse me, I need to go get 2 AAAs. A nice runner. And yeah, that'll do it for my new engines. Three from the antique store and 1 from the mail. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in more future videos to come.